Buenos dias, clase. Okay, I think I might have mentioned to a couple of you I have another training this week. I know, I don't know what these people have against B-Day, but I'm sorry I can't be with you, but we must move on. We got to keep it moving. So today your assignment is to review the gramática on page, página 18, page 18. Okay, it is dealing with stem changing verbs in the present tense. So we've already dealt with regular verbs in the present tense like hablo, I speak, como, I eat, quiero, I want. Actually, we've done quiero before when you asked for the churros. Now we're doing quiero and all the other conjugations. So after you review the information on page 18, I would like you to copy the conjugation chart for querer, to want. You have yo quiero, tú quieres, usted, él, ella quiere, queremos, and quieren. Okay, so yo quiero, you already know, means I want. Tú quieres, what does that mean? In your chart, you need to write down what that one means. Tú quieres, of course, means you want. Then we have usted quiere. You're going to write that means you, formal, want. Él quiere means he wants, with an S at the end. Ella quiere means she wants. On the next side of your chart, in the plural side, we have nosotros, we. So queremos, nosotros queremos, or simply queremos means we want. You'll put that in your chart. Vosotros and vosotras, like I said, we don't really use this here. It's more used in Spain. It means you all. So queréis means you all want. Ustedes quieren means you all want, but it's more informal, or not in Spain. Ustedes quieren, you all want. Ellos or ellas quieren simply means they want. So you got your chart for querer. Now I want you to go through and look at the other E to I-E stem changing verbs. You have cerrar, to close. Yo cierro means I close. You'll do the rest of the conjugations just like you did for querer. So your chart's going to look very much the same. It's just going to have cerrar instead of querer. Then you have empezar, to begin. Like our warm-up, we call it para empezar. In order to begin, you do this. Empezar, to begin. So we have yo empiezo. Okay, the next one would be tú empiezas. It's an AR verb, right? Él, ella, usted empieza, and so on. So take your time with it. Make sure you spell these correctly, but they follow the same pattern that querer does. Pause the video if you need to. Go ahead and do those. And then you come back to the video and we'll talk about the O to UE. So when you're ready for the O to UE stem changing verbs, we have the example of poder, to be able to. So you see on my wall, right by my desk here, it says, si se puede, yes he or she can, or yes you can, or yes it can be done. Poder means to be able to. So you have yo puedo, means I can or I am able to. I would, for your chart purposes, write I can and have that for the rest of your verb, because I am able to, you are able to. It's just a lot of writing. You don't need to do that. Yo puedo, I can. The next one would be tú puedes, you can. The next one you're writing is usted puede, you can, but formal. Él puede, he can. Ella puede, she can. Nosotros or nosotras podemos, we can. Vosotros podéis, you all can. I don't ever use this. I didn't even use it in Spain when I went. Ustedes pueden, you all can. Ellos, ellas pueden, they can. Okay, so after you do poder, look at your page 18. You've got other O to UE stem changing verbs, starting with contar. It is yo cuento, I count. Tú cuentas. Él, ella, usted cuenta. And so on, just like poder did. The one that's weird is costar. You can write all the other conjugations, but the main ones I'm looking for are cuesta, it costs, or cuestan, they cost. Like when you're at the store, cuánto cuesta, how much does it cost? Cuánto cuestan, how much do they cost? That's mainly what I'm looking for there. Then you'll do recordar, to remember, yo recuerdo, tú recuerdas, and so on. Then you have volar, to fly. I fly is yo vuelo. tu vuelas, él vuela, and so on. We have to return, volver, yo vuelvo, tu vuelves, because it's an ER verb. So you look at your chart in the back of the room, you've got present tense endings. Use those endings when you do these verbs, especially the ERs that you're not as familiar with as you are with the AR verbs. So volver is done. Next one, we have the E to I stem changing verbs. The example verb is pedir, to ask for. Also, when like you order something at the store, you could say pido, like a restaurant, pido pizza in a restaurante italiano. I order pizza at the Italian restaurant. So they give you yo pido, I ask for. Tú pides, you ask for. Usted pide, you ask for, formal. Él pide, he asks for. Ella pide, she asks for. Nosotros pedimos, we ask for. And piden, it can either mean you all, ustedes piden, you all ask for, or ellos, ellas piden, they ask for. Other E to I stem changing verbs, you have competir, to compete, yo compito, tú compites, and so on. Medir, to measure, yo mido, I measure. Tu mides, and so on. Repetir, to repeat, yo repito, tú repites, él repite, ella repite. Okay, and keep that going. Servir, to serve, yo sirvo, tú sirves, él sirve, and so on. Vestir, to dress, yo visto, tú vistes, and so on. That is all I want you to do today. All I want you to do is take some class notes and complete those conjugation charts. You may, if you finish early, you may start your homework. Your homework for tonight is this Día de Acción de Gracias, this Thanksgiving coloring activity. You're gonna color and label everything in the picture in Spanish. And then you're gonna trace la cena, cena means dinner. And then on the back, I'd like you to color and write in each of these little pieces of these vegetables what you're thankful for in Spanish. It says, doy gracias por, I give thanks for, and then you tell me what you're thankful for. Just 3. And that is it for the day. Also, the Coco movie extension questions activities, that was due today. Now you have an extension. It's not due till Monday, but don't forget and upload it on the proper post. Bring the original to class in your journal so that we can go over it. You can ask me any questions and we will just keep it moving. So I hope you guys have a great day. I miss you and I will see you soon. Ciao, hasta luego.